recharged V6 box that records 6 shows while you watch a 7th recorded early. Get the TV you love.
That's sharp in some places.
Just 29.
Yeah.
Oh Christ, yeah, they're the same side in the sun now.
Yeah, it's because it's got fucking triple wheel.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
I know an easier one.
You can take my look, yeah. How do you bodge it? It's easy to just bodge it.
Oh, I can't.
I can. I bet it's millimetre perfect. There you go, look. 111 compared with. Oh,
111.
111! King Bodget strikes again. There you go, John. It's not fucking wonky. Don't fucking. It's perfect. Is it that way though? 122. 123. It's a millimetre off. Oh, bollocks. Man's quite warm, to be honest. Oh, this lighting, bro. This lighting is not conducive. Oh, that's the more better lighting right there. That's banging lighting. Right. Let's see if the boot's gonna shut. Real slow with it. Oh, fucking hell, miles of room. Don't slam it, just drop it. It's not down. There it goes. Nice. Ooh. Way better than my grinder at home. Oh mate, I'm so scared of like, what if it flips around?
Yeah, I just go, fuck it, go in.
Yeah, you're alright. I'm terrified of the thing. It's a bit warm.
They're fucking like 4.5 inch, they're fucking big.
Yeah, you've got a 10-inch grinder in there somewhere, haven't you?
Fucking 9-inch.
9-inch grinder, yeah. It's not going in. Why is it not going in? How can you not do it properly? Bollocks, fix it!
Insurance on qualifying polos for drivers aged 18 to 18, subject to eligibility. Terms and conditions apply.
Terms and conditions apply. Fucking what? You fucking what, Clarence? You fucking braggo.
Oh no, girls.
Oh no, oh no. So I can fix myself, but the pain stays forever. Unfortunately, people keep saying you have to have some kind of mid. So, I suppose I better run some cable. We've got this Vibe flat stuff. I didn't have any and I've run out of money, so Sam gave this to me for free. So, free cable, not going to moan about it. Oh, yes. Fucking lovely, mate. It just about fits in there. It's fucking hot in here. But terminals. Fucking box terminals, mate. They're fucking positive and there's your fucking negative. They fuck off around here and they go in this fucking hole in here. Look at that. Oh. Huh? What's up? That's the run. However, I'm not going to connect up the lives until I know that there's a stable voltage going back here. Otherwise, I'll end up with some fucking 20 volt shit going through the amp, which isn't good. What are you doing?
Extending the thread on these bolts because the thread didn't extend far enough from fracture, I suppose.
To go into.
There's a point where you listen to a song on the radio so much you want to fucking track the artist down and punch me in the face.
I just want to punch the people that, like, on the radio, swear in the face. You know, been here what, 5 hours? 11, 4, yeah, about 5 hours. This is the 4th time this song's been on.
Yeah, not fucking surprised.
It's like, what the shit? Can you imagine driving
around Chelmsford? My mate's missus asked me, oh, do you like working on, because obviously I like talking about your car.
Yeah.
She's like, oh, do you like working on your mate's car then? I was like, it's a necessity at this point.
Yeah. It's gone too far to go back.
Yes.
It's not something you can go, you know what, I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna put it back to standing and put it straight in the market. Oh, look at the pretty.
Oh, that's hot house.
Just gonna ignore that bit. Oh, look at that, it's great. Perfect. If anyone knows where I can buy these grub screws, that'd be great, because that's kind of taped in there at the moment. But yeah, oh, it's perfect. Lovely. Put a pole in. I did the one thing I get to do, and I fucked it up. Sam's screwing my pole.
It's right.